Tonight, with most of the nation, roughly 3 in every 4 Americans, being told to stay at home, our country has reached another grim milestone. Over 3,600 lives lost in a battle just beginning. States big and small reporting a steady rise in confirmed cases of the coronavirus. New York accounting for many of the deaths, where the healthcare system is overrun and undermanned.
We are planning now for the battle at the top of the mountain. That's what we are doing. We're gathering equipment that we don't need today because today is not the day of the battle.
As New York prepares for another surge in patients, the call for help stretches far beyond the Empire State. Aboard the USS Theodore Roosevelt, the commanding officer says his entire crew, more than 5,000 sailors, need to be isolated after more than 100 tested positive for the coronavirus. Overnight in Georgia, another surge in confirmed cases as cities like Atlanta warn of an impending crisis. But it's smaller communities that could take the biggest hit. Our Blaine Alexander is in Albany.
Nearly 3 hours south of Atlanta, this small county has seen more coronavirus deaths than anywhere in the state, even areas with more than 10 times the population.
With hundreds of confirmed cases in rural towns where resources are limited, there is growing concern states like Florida, who have not issued stay-at-home mandates, could become the next hotspots. In parts of Washington, Colorado, and California, where mandates to keep away from crowds have been in place for weeks, preliminary data shows the virus is spreading at a slower rate.
And we are in this together.
But not all residents are listening. As the mayor of Los Angeles held a press conference about social distancing, a live split screen showed crowded soccer fields and basketball courts. The governor in Virginia ordering residents to stay at home until June 10th.
This is an unprecedented and difficult time.
With long lines wrapping blocks away from food banks like this one in Pittsburgh, today employees at Whole Foods organized a sick-out, demanding better workplace safety and hazard pay, which the company says it's providing.
They are coming into contact with the public and all kinds of people.
As so many Americans try to stay home, outside Portland, police officers in Oregon are delivering prescription drugs to people in need. Larry and Annette Bremer from Minnesota have recovered from the virus.
Most people will survive this, so we just can't be fearful. We just need to be smart. Be smart.
Across the nation, the elderly are still the most vulnerable. More than 400 long-term care facilities have residents infected with the coronavirus, many spending their final days isolated from family, dying alone.
That is heartbreaking, and our community is truly heartbroken.
Tonight, the toll of the virus impacting so many lives in every corner of our nation.
Tonight, the White House says social distancing appears to be working, but warned there is no magic bullet. The president said the next few weeks will be difficult for all Americans, but says they are critically important.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.